Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to change the time and the date on the IDS X64 alarm system. What we do first is push the star button in, and then we'll wait for the beep. Then we'll put our master code in, followed by the star. 40 is for the time, followed by the star. Then we'll put the new time in, 15:30, and then we'll push the star. The next option is 41 star. This is the date, and we'll put the new date in. It's first the day, followed by the month, followed by the year. Star, and then we push the hash to go out, and then we'll have our time and the date sorted out. Thank you.